Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock, analog. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.